Hello everyone, welcome to my mom's kitchen. Today we are going to share with you the recipe of fried idli. This is a combination of all the vegetables with the idli and it's a great breakfast. It is very healthy because it is prepared from lot of vegetables. So let's see the ingredients for preparing this dish. The ingredients needed are leftover idlis. Here we have 4 idlis, chopped tomatoes, chopped carrots, chopped green bell peppers, chopped yellow bell peppers, frozen green peas, chopped onions, chopped beans, cilantro, green chilies, ginger paste, red chili powder, salt to taste, oil to fry, some chopped cashews, turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of pepper powder, 1 pinch of asafoetida, some curry leaves. Now the first step would be to chop this idlis or cut this idlis. So we'll take a scissor and we'll cut it, and it has to be a medium size piece, so don't make it too big. So we'll start cutting all these idlis. The next step would be to heat on the stove with a pan, and we need to add some 2 tablespoons of oil, which we have already done. Now we'll add onions to the pan. Next comes the tomato. And fry this together. After that we'll add the green beans, carrots. Now we'll add the carrots, and we'll cook this together for 3 minutes. So once the carrots and beans has been fried nicely, we'll add the green bell peppers and yellow bell peppers together. And also we'll add the green peas. So the veggies have to crisp, they don't have to cook completely. Now we'll add green chilies also to this. Don't cook the vegetables too much, otherwise it would become mushy. So just crisp it. So after 2 minutes, we'll add turmeric powder, red chili powder, pepper powder, salt, ginger paste, asafoetida, curry leaves, and mix all this together. After mixing for a while, we'll cover this with a lid and allow the veggies to cook for another 2 minutes. Now the veggies have cooked nicely. They have become nice and crispy, and they are so colorful. Now we are going to add the idlis. And mix all the veggies with the idli. Do it gently because you don't want to break the idli pieces. At this stage, you can also add some 1 or 2 tablespoons of oil. And cook this idlis for another 2 minutes. Now the final step would be seasoning this fried idli. So we have already preheated a pan and we have added some 1 tablespoon of oil to that. So to this we'll add the cashews and fry this to golden brown. This is just an optional step, so if needed you can do that. So it's done. We'll add this to the fried idlis. And as far as veggies are concerned, these veggies are like whatever we had at home, we have added to this. So it's up to you. Whatever vegetables you like, you can add this. And whatever you don't like, you can skip it as well. So it's just your wish. The fried idlis are ready. They look so colorful and it's tasting very good. So the final this thing will be just add some coriander leaves on top. And then it's ready to serve. So hope you like this dish. Do try it out. Give us the feedback. And see you in our next recipe. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.